So this is loading a data, and as madam said, she has taken that Fisher iris, right? So it's a data where you will have the information about the sepal length, width of the various flowers. Okay, so all this information has to be loaded into that MATLAB. So here first this thing is that you have to load that input here, and then you have to create your network. Okay, because we have already a command for what is it, a keyword in the MATLAB with which you can create your own network. Okay, it's a customized. Okay, it's not that you have to use the network what is being already available. It's not like nowadays we are going with the deep learning networks, so where we'll have that VGG network and then ResNet, AlexNet, and all those things. So here we can create our own network with a number of inputs, number of layers. Everything can be customized. And this is a keyword for creating a network and then for initialization. Okay, so if you see here, so this net, that's what I want to tell you, that if I show a network, then it's easy for you to catch up things. One second, all of you. Fine. Okay. So here in the right hand side, if you see, this is how that neural network looks like. So these yellow boxes are nothing but it's going to be the inputs, the number of inputs decided by the user, and the second thing, that is the circle, is going to represent your is my marker is available for you? Is my pointer is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is your hidden layer, and this is going to be the output layer. Okay, so this is how one neural networks looks like. Okay, so we have a single hidden layer here, but if you go for deep neural networks, you'll have some hundreds or thousands of hidden layers with which automatically the network gets trained. And here we have supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Supervised learning in the sense the input and the target is known to the user. Accordingly, you will train the network. Unsupervised learning, the target is not known. So we have to, that network itself will do some initial classification, and then it will learn accordingly, and then automatically it will go for classifying the for what is it, the different classes. Okay, and here, as I said, these are the input layer. This is your input layer, and this is your hidden layer, and this is your output layer. Have to decide the number of inputs. So how many features? So in the previous example, we have taken sepal width and sepal length, which means that we are going to give here two features. So you have to decide the number of features. So that is what is the input here, and then the number of hidden layers and the number of neurons in the hidden layers. Okay, so each neuron here will get the information about each and every input, but it's not mandatory that all the neurons have to get the input from all the what is the input layers. Okay, so here it is not mandatory, and from the hidden layer it is being given to the output neuron here.